Hi there, students. To cherish. I had a request for to cherish. So to cherish a verb, cherished an adjective. So I think to cherish, to care for, to protect, to look after something or someone in a very loving way with a lot of love, to hold something dear, to treasure, to prize, to value highly. So, okay, this is his most treasured possession. This is his most cherished possession. I was thinking about this line. What's my most cherished possession? Well, I guess I am my most cherished possession. You can cherish a person. He cherished his wife all through her life. I promised to love, cherish, honour and obey, I think it goes. Okay, so to cherish something, to protect it because it's very important to you. You can cherish hopes and memories. You keep them in your mind because they're something that are very important to you. They bring you a lot of pleasure. So I cherish the memories I have of playing in the park with my dad, for example. Yeah, these are something that I keep in my mind because it's something important to me, something that makes me feel happy. Yeah, so to cherish, to treat with great affection and great tenderness. Yeah, the objects in her house were clearly cherished by her. They were well looked after. Yeah, they were treated fondly in a loving way. His car is something that he cherishes it. He treats it as if it were a baby. He polishes it every day. Okay, so to cherish. You could cherish an ambition, to cling to hold on. So he cherished the ambition of becoming Prime Minister one day. Yeah, he held on to it very, very strongly. Yeah, to keep it in his mind, to harbour in your mind, to have in your mind. Yeah, so he cherished the idea of one day having children. Okay, so he's keeping it in his mind because this is something important to them. So these are my cherished friends, the ones that I hold dear, the ones that I feel and show affection for. He cherishes the concept of freedom of the press, to keep or to look after with or think about with care and affection, like to nurture. Yeah, and then to cherish an idea in your mind. Yeah, to keep that deeply in mind, to keep it resolutely without changing. Okay, so you cherish a hope or a pleasant memory. You keep it in your mind for a long period. I will always cherish my the memories I have of visiting India. Okay, this was an occasion to cherish and to remember for many years to come. I definitely cherish the memories of the births of my children. Something I hold dear. I prize it very greatly. And then you can cherish someone or something. You take good care of it because you love it. Yeah. So you should cherish the people you love. Yeah. These cherished individuals. Yeah. He cherishes that watch. He loves it and looks after. You could cherish a right or a principle. You regard it as something important and you try hard to keep it. So you could cherish your independence, for example, a cherished belief, to cherish a dream that one day something will happen. So Martin Luther King cherished the dream of integration, to cherish an ideal, yeah, to cherish freedom, to cherish life itself. This is my cherished friend, yeah, my friend who I love dearly. Okay, so to cherish. Let's see, formality. I think I would give this word a 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it informally. To love, to care for, to look after informally, maybe with the adverb tenderly. Use it in a semi-formal, when speaking semi-formally, I guess. Best in a semi-formal writing or something literary or something rather formal. And then as to origin, well, the first thing I think about with this word is the French word chéri, meaning darling, mon chéri. And it comes from the French verb chérir, to cherish, which itself comes from Latin carus, meaning beloved or dear, or in Italian caro, somebody you love, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European che, to desire or to wish. Yeah, so you wish things probably quite strongly. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cherish, cherished.